Alright guys, give you guys a little update on the 2000 Chevy Express 5.7. I'm going to give you guys a list of things I've replaced, and I still have a crank but no start, as you've seen in video 1. If you haven't, go back and check out the first video that I did, part 1. Since then I have replaced this is the ignition control module, crankshaft sensor. These are all the old parts. This is camshaft. As you know, I did the rotor cap, the distributor cap. Also did the fuel pump, and then I bought a fresh pack of 8 spark plugs. These are the old ones here, and it's still giving me the same problems. If you haven't, like I said, check out the first original video. It's still doing the same sound. At this point I really don't know what else to do. I got a mechanic coming in next week. Maybe he could diagnose it. I did order a scan tool, and I scanned, but it did not show any codes. So whatever's going on is not popping up in the system. I also did order a multimeter so I can go ahead and test and see if I'm getting any current to the crankshaft sensor. And also I did tighten up some spots here. I did have some safety wires at the evap sensor. I can show you guys real quick, and I did tighten them up. I put them back pretty well, so I want to test, make sure that those are when I get my multimeter, make sure those are running too. I don't know if you guys can see, it's a little dark, but yep, I kind of cleaned that up. So if you guys have any idea if you're having similar issues with this 5.7 Chevy Express, or if it's also on this Rotor, etc. So if you guys have any suggestions, please like, subscribe, make sure you comment. No trolls, please. I'm just in a place now, I'm trying to figure out what can I do. Thanks guys.